Can you please look up this site?
See if we can figure out something.
No legal authority nor physical custody of this child. Mom has sole legal and sole physical custody.
Okay. So is this my child?
There was a paternity action that was filed, and you requested DNA.
I didn't reach out to up to Grand Rapids. They contacted me.
Right. Yeah. And they contacted you.
And they told me
they gave you genetic testing, which showed by a 99.99995% chance that you are the father. Then they entered a order. But a child born out of wedlock has only one parent by law in Michigan, and that parent happens to be the mother, because we can always know who mom is. We don't know who dad is. So you are the legal father, but you have no legal custody nor physical custody.
So at what time?
Unless at least if CPS gets involved and Child Protective Services gives you the child because they're in danger with the mother, then you'd have authority. But absent that, you have no legal authority to have this child. As I explained to a mother a couple weeks ago who did not have legal custody nor physical custody of her child because of a prior intervention, you don't have any authority. You got to turn that kid over, because right now, if they follow through, you could be facing kidnapping charges for your child.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Okay.
So
that's how serious this one is.
Okay. Well, I'm a father, and I'm trying.
Well,
Well,
here's the thing.
I'm not trying to argue with you.
Well,
I just want you to hear me out. I want you to hear me out.
Yeah.
I'm not trying to speak bad about
I understood. I'm just trying to let you know where you stand.
Okay. Well, that's fine. You can let me know where I stand. But I'm her father. I want to be able to do. I want to be able to do my part. That's it, sir. That's all I'm asking. My child was born in 2024. Okay, 23, 24. My child is about to be 2 years old next month in April. I seen my child she was freshly born, maybe a week or 2 weeks. I seen her for 2 days. I haven't seen her until February 18th, sir. Mm-hmm. I caught that bus to come get my baby. Her mom was in distress.
Understood. And at this point in time,
my part and
okay.
I have my reasonings, and I have my proof and showings of why I'm okay. That's fine. She could come get her child. I'm not kidnapping nothing. Mm-hmm. And this is all on record. I could have not answered. I could have not came on Zoom. I could have said forget the whole situation and kept going about my day. And then whenever the problem approaches me, it just let me finish my. I'm not out for bad. I don't have a job right now. I have a place to stay. I just want to be able to do my part. That's her mother. That's never going to change. I'm not taking the kid from her. I'm not trying to take the kid from her.
If you let me finish,
since you guys going to tell me that child belongs to me too, I would like to have my part too, sir.
If you'd let me finish my explanation, that's where I was going next.
I'm sorry. I'm just
understood.
I'm not that asshole father that doesn't care for the kid. I have more kids besides this one. And for my kid to be left with a whole stranger.
Are you gonna let me finish or not? You're in a situation that I'm trying to extricate you from. Okay. Bottom line. I just don't
want that. I don't want the problems. I'll say whatever I can. I'm sorry. I just feel I just felt attacked on how you just.
I thought you needed to. I thought you needed to know what.
That's why it's hard for me to calm down. I'm not trying to.
I thought you ought to know where you stand before you start opening your mouth, and you just keep opening your mouth. Bottom line, this order also gives her custody and gives parenting time by agreement, which she was trying to give you. Then you withheld the child when she asked for the child back. That's why you're in the situation. Yeah, I know why you did. She said, I've got a temporary situation.
I didn't bring my kid back. Let me tell you something, sir. I got to that woman's house. That Did you hear the story about Michigan,
Yes.
Pontiac, about the lady who
I
left her
read
kid?
the file.
I
Yes, there
don't
was a
think you
reason.
heard about that. I don't
All
think
right.
you heard about that. I
All
got to
right.
that lady house.
You're not going to
I
let me
helped her clean
explain.
her house.
Then
I
I'm
did a
issuing
lot,
an order
man. I
to
did a
turn
lot
the
that I
child
shouldn't have
over.
been doing. All I did was go get my baby.
All right.
Now, whatever.
You not letting me
Tell her to come
explain.
get her
So
baby. I'm done with it. Just tell her to come
okay.
get the baby. Because
Well,
I don't think we go have no type of agreement, man. Because you don't want to hear me out. Because you got the authority to tell me something. You think I'm supposed to just be quiet and not speak my truth and my part? I'm the man. I'm not running from the situation. I want you to do what you can do for me so I can have time with my child. Let me show you my child. I got her a bed. She got clothes. She's got food. She's sleep. She's sleep.
I'm trying to explain to you what to do next,
I have
and you
another
won't let
child.
me.
She's sleeping. She's
All
not
right.
in school.
I was trying. I am
It's
trying
Friday.
to.
She has no school on Fridays.
I'm trying to
My
explain.
baby's talking. She's
We're
doing
done.
a lot, man.
I'm ordering the
She's doing a
child
lot,
to be
man.
turned over, ma'am. If he does not turn the child over, please contact the police.
Yeah, she
I'm
could
done
come
with.
get her. She could come get her.
Well, then she
You
better
could
come
call.
get her.
You
But
could send the police. You want me to give you the address where I'm at? You could
assuming
bring her. I don't care. Y'all could come get the baby.
Sir,
you ain't telling me what I want to hear, man. And I'm not that type of asshole father.
No, but you're being an asshole right now to me. And the
That's
problem is I'm trying to explain.
I'm telling you, I want to be here for my child. She wants the child. She could come get the child, man.
I'm trying to explain to you how to proceed beyond this, but you're not letting me talk, so I'm done. Thank you. Turn the child over. Have a good morning. Next time I try to help, please listen. I wanted to tell him how to follow procedures and get the parenting time. Ugh. All right. There is peace in this moment.
Yes.
All right. Let us go on with the next case.
Okay. Marianne versus Collazo.
I think I just used a curse word on the record. Oops. I was only quoting him. How's that?
That's true.
Okay.
When I'm not in court, I'm with Vicky Mack. Or I watch
Brilliant.
Vicky.
It doesn't matter either way.
I love me some Vicky Mack. I do. I love your channel.
Brilliant.
It's great. I do. And I watch you too.
Thank you.
Good morning, Vicky from South Africa. I met a guy in Bocas del Toro from South Africa. In fact, I met several people from South Africa. Very interesting discussion about life there. His father was a doctor.
Talk for hours, I never slept. Two silhouettes on the concrete.